In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Dripify connections to Excel. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take your connections or leads from Dripify, export them as a CSV, and open that file in Excel so you can sort, filter, and analyze your data with ease. We'll keep it simple and straightforward, and I'll share a few helpful tips along the way. First, open Dripify and sign in. From your dashboard, head to the specific campaign you're working on. Then open the Audience or Leads tab. This is where your connections are listed. Take a moment to confirm you're looking at the right set of people. If you've applied filters or segmented your audience in Dripify, make sure those settings reflect exactly what you want to export. This helps you avoid exporting extra data you don't need. Next, use Dripify's export feature to create a CSV file. CSV stands for comma-separated values, and it's a universal format that works beautifully with Excel. The file typically includes fields like first name, last name, LinkedIn URL, job title, company, email, city, and more. Keep in mind that not every field will be filled for every lead, since it depends on what's available in your Dripify data. If you're exporting fewer than 100 leads, your CSV will download to your device right away. If you're exporting more than 100, Dripify will send the CSV to your email. Give it a moment, and if you don't see it, check your spam or promotions folders. When you receive it, download the file to a location you can easily find later. Now, open Excel. Go to File, then Open, and select your CSV file. Excel will import the data automatically. Once it's open, scan the top row to make sure the column headers look correct and each piece of information is in its own column. Names, LinkedIn URLs, job titles, companies, emails, cities, and so on. If you see everything crammed into a single column, you may need to adjust the delimiter setting to commas during the import process so Excel splits the data properly. After confirming the columns look right, consider saving the file as an Excel workbook to preserve formatting and any changes you make. That's it. You've exported your Dripify connections and opened them in Excel. From here, you can sort, filter, and organize your leads for outreach, reporting, or analysis. If you add new leads later, just repeat the export so your spreadsheet stays up to date.